we're back again for another review on the Cat Tarot and Oracle cards. Okay, now I have here the Cat Tarot, and this is so adorable. 78 and guidebook illustrated by Megan Lynn Cott. And the deck, the front has a bit of a silver foiling over it, with the signs here and spirit. This is the box. Oh, let me put it down. Nice and sturdy. Side of the box. And you know what's so cute about this? If you put it like this, look at it. We have here a little cat looking through, also on the other side. And this is also from Chronicle Books Publications. Now let's have a look at the cards. And it sells for $19.95 US and $16.99 in the UK. And I'm in the Netherlands and I paid less than 11 euros for it. So I got this deck really cheap, because if I look now for the same deck, they ask like 20 euro. So I had it a lot cheaper. I have it already a few years. Let's have a look. Let me put the camera down and look at the cards. It comes with a little book. Now, at least it looks like a little book. Not those paper booklets. It is in black and white, so if you feel creative, you can start coloring it. I don't find this worth it because it's just too small. Oh, it's like done in 5 minutes if you need to color it. You have all kinds of spreads in it. You had even the 9 live spreads in it, I think. So the book you can read yourself. And now have a look at the cards. This is the inside of the box. Blue. Put it away. And now let's first have a look at the back. Pink. Of course, most women are attracted to this because it's pink. And it's a very thick card. I mean, this is such good card stock quality. US Game System and Llewellyn, take notice of this. Please make your cards a little bit bigger, because for some prices you ask for, those cards, I mean, they're like flimsy and they're like laminated with layers of plastic over it, and that's then the card. This deck is different. This is like a beautiful deck. And for a very good price. And there went something sliding over my desk. Well, that's so nice if you do like live reading. Nothing is being censored. So things can fall over. In this case, it was a dog. Let me show you the dog. The dog. Okay. Here we have the cards. They're not on order because sometimes I use these just to have some fun and do a reading for myself, because they're so enjoyable. Look at it. The Magician. Yeah. The High Priestess. The Moon. Strength cards. Yes. Open your mouth like a lion. This is also schattig. Very cute. The Hierophant, the High Priest. And then we have the 7 of Bowls. Which bowl do I get? Well, our cats are finicky with their food, so you can place like 7 bowls in front of them and they still don't know what they want. So yeah. Biting in a cardboard box. Yes, my cat also is laying in a box. There he is. It's not my cat, it's just an illustration I made for a rescue project for cats. Temperance, luring at the fish. You see how nice they are in color? Yeah, okay. Let's kick all those mouse off the shelf. Wheel of Fortune. Judgment. Ace of Cups. Ah. Red cat. Drinking out of the toilet pot, of course. Playing with your water tap. Ah, look at this, the little one sitting in the football. The Queen of Swords. Fat cat. I love fat cats. Who doesn't? Look at him. It's also with a bit of humor in it. Page of Pentacles. The Queen of Pentacles. Let's have a nosy with each other. Of course, it's a cat deck. Who's the devil? The dog. Yeah, that's funny. Yeah, poor doggy. Ah, Death, the vacuum cleaner. A Hoover. The Tower, of course, the cat tower. The Emperor. Oh, somebody went too quick out of my hands. The Knight of Cups, drinking out of a flower pot. Yeah, cats always are like a favorite subject of artists because they're so elusive. You know, they just do whatever they want. I also have 4, and then I have some cats outside from the neighbors who always come in and eat here. They like the food better here. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, they will do this. You have a bowl of Snoopy's on the table and one cat jumps on the table and they just knock off the whole jar with cat Snoops to get it open. Yeah, like they're crazy. People who say animals are stupid, and I think those people are stupid. Because animals are not stupid at all. They know exactly what's going on around them. Yes, get the birdie. Yeah, look at him. Poor kitty. He looks so miserable. Give him a Snoopy, give him a pet over his head. The King of Cups. Ah, yeah, Knight of Pentacles. Begging cat, give me some. Yeah. Oh, double. Yeah. They will do that, by the way. Yeah. Nice outside. Smell the weeds. Maybe it's catnip, who knows. The World. The Lovers. The Queen of Cups. The Hermit. The Fool. Now look close. See that little tooth here? That's so cute. The Empress. Ace of Swords. Cutting your nails. Are they crazy? Let me just sharpen them on your furniture. And the Sun. Look at that little nice fat content cat. Yes. Okay, for so far, the cat tarot. I mean, if you don't have this deck yet and you want to have a nice cat tarot deck, this is the one. I mean, you have so much enjoyment out of it. It's also a chunky deck. Look at it. Yeah, because the cards are really thick. It comes with a nice book. It comes in a very sturdy box. Let me put them in again, because they go back into the collection. And yeah, what I find so original about it, that's that little cat that looks under the box. Yes, Cat Tarot. So, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, then you make sure I will make more videos. Because you always want somebody to watch and have some fun with the cards. So, I see you next time. If you want to leave a comment, go ahead. I'm always happy with it and I'll always react on it also. And I see you next time for the next review. Bye bye.